is ever gonna hurt you.
Yeah. So guys, today we have a perfect fun box. And as you see, little go everywhere. So I'm gonna be in charge from it. Okay? Yay! Forget all that happened. Okay?
Okay, here, sit on this. Is that gonna work?
Yep.
Are we good?
Uh-huh.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Hi, loves, it's Sam.
And
Today we are very excited because we got our FABFITFUN summer box. What are you doing? I thought you wanted to wear that pretty crown.
okay, fine.
Okay, here, let's stick it back on.
Mommy, aren't you gonna mess up your video?
No, it'll be fine. We just got the FABFITFUN summer box. We are very excited about it. As you know, Miss Lil opened our last box together and she was very happy. She asked if she could open the next box, and so it has arrived. And are you ready for this? Okay, should we show it what it looks like?
Yeah.
Okay, so this box is super cute. It has a lady on it with a flower in her hair and a pearl necklace. What's this?
It's a bird.
Little bird, a little drink, a little kind of cocktail, some olives and some strawberries. It's really cute. The box is adorable.
Lemon.
Oh yeah, and a lemon. And on the back, it's very colorful and very tropical and summery. So what do you think of the box?
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Huge thanks to FABFITFUN for sending this out and for sponsoring this video. If you guys are not familiar with FABFITFUN, it is a seasonal box, so you get it every season and they change out the products inside to go along with that season. So this will be all summery stuff. I love FABFITFUN. It is like my favorite like subscription box because it's lifestyle, it's beauty, it's like all of the good stuff. It's not just dedicated to one specific like beauty or fitness. It's like always has a nice range. If you're not familiar with FABFITFUN, it is $49.99 a season, but I have a coupon code that will save you $10 off, so it brings the box down to $39.99. So for under $40, you get all of this stuff. And let's just see what ours is retailed at, Baby Lil. So you get this little magazine. Inside of the magazine has like little kind of like tips. It also tells you every single thing that is in the box. Sorry about your face. And then it says that this one totals out to be anywhere from $321.99 to $367.99, depending on the actual things that you get. So like they'll have like an either or. It just has like little interviews inside. It has like a little workout and like meal prep ideas. So it's always like it has some kind of good information to look at. Are you ready to open this baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's set it out here so we know what we're telling them. Okay.
Itchy.
Oh, is it itching you?
Yeah.
Oh, well that's not fun. Should we just take it off?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. That's not fun, is it? Itchy headbands are not fun. Okay, what did you find?
This.
Okay, so the very first thing is
What's that?
the Foreo Luna Fofo. So this one is in a really fun kind of like aqua blue. This retails for $89. And this is basically just a cleaning device for your face. So let's see if we can open this, Lil.
I can.
You can. She always opens my stuff for me because she has little nails that are so sharp and good. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched so it sends over to the app and then you can do it. That's really cool. And that's $89 right there. You've paid for 2 boxes if you were to buy that like separately.
Sorry.
Is it happening?
Yeah, it's happening.
You getting it? So you download on the App Store the app. Oh, and then it tells you your result. And like, I guess maybe it customizes like how long it should be on your face, like how long to clean your face for. Good thing you've got nails, my friend.
I'm gonna open it.
How do you open it though?
Let me.
It's not opening.
Sorry.
Oh, you did it. Good for you. Oh, this is fun. Is it gonna turn on? Does that feel nice?
Yeah.
It's like little vibrating. And then it has these like little fingers that like really help to get in there and cleanse your face really good. Oh, so nice. How's it feel? Relaxing?
Yeah.
That's cute. Oh, how do I turn it off?
Ooh.
I don't know how. Maybe you have to hold it down? Oh, we did it. Okay, let's not turn it on again. You want to put it back in the case for me? No, not on my face. I'll take off all my makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, put it back in the little case for me. The next thing is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. This is an exfoliating cleanser, so that's a good size. This retails for $29. It's basically just an exfoliating cleanser to reveal a smooth, even complexion. So you can use this with your little Foreo, I never know how you say that right, but that's kind of awesome. Okay, the next thing we got is the Kula Classic Sunscreen Moisturizer. This is SPF 50, which is like huge. Are we even in focus here? There we go. So here is what the packaging looks like.
Candy stick.
Candy stick. Okay, so here's the packaging. This one retails for $32, and it's basically an 80-minute water-resistant formula that's made with 70% organic ingredients, and it's SPF 50. Should we smell it? What's that?
A straw.
We got a straw?
No, it's a candy straw.
Are you sure? Where'd that come from? Hold on, let's not open it yet.
It's not a candy straw, it's
Just a regular straw? So it comes in like a nice little tube like this. Oh, it says it's white tea. Shall we smell it?
quite clear.
Quite clear? You think?
Yeah.
Oh, I just put way too much on. So it comes out white. I don't really smell much, do you?
Just a little.
You're a little clogged up because you had a cold.
But I can
Wait, weren't you sick last time we did FabFitFun?
think.
What is going on in life?
Yeah, I was.
Oh, it does have a very fresh sunscreen. I mean, it smells like sunscreen, but it's a fresh. It smells fresh, and it actually rubs in quite nicely. Is this for your face or for your whole body?
I don't know.
It says it just. Oh no, it doubles up as a moisturizer, so
Mama,
I'm assuming it's
look.
for your face. Oh, our battery gives you a nice glow. It has like a sunscreen smell, but it has like a fresh sunscreen smell, if that makes sense. Next product, you want to hold that up, baby? This is the Jabanaria Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. Hide your face. Here, we gotta hold it up closer, like this. And then hope. Oh my gosh, why is this camera so naughty? So this is what it looks like. You get a full tub of it. This retails for $48, and it says it's basically just a scrub to massage into your skin once you're in the shower to exfoliate, condition, and hydrate all at once. Shall we smell it?
Yeah.
Let's see what this baby smells like. The sunscreen smells quite nice. It's giving me a really pretty glow. Like, I actually really like it. I want to just wear it on my hands so they don't look so old and cracked. Know what I mean?
Yeah. Like.
Did you say I'm getting old?
No, I said you were getting pretty.
Oh, thanks, lovely lady. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
It's like sitting in oil. Whew, that's strong, isn't it? It smells, it's like a very strong, it kind of smells like licorice.
Black licorice.
And cigars, like a licorice cigar. So I'll have to give that a go and see how it is. Definitely has a very strong scent, but it's interesting. It's kind of like one of those cigars that you're like, I don't mind if you smoke that because it smells kind of good. You know what I mean? Okay, then we got a little box from Pier 1. What's inside?
I know.
It's like Christmas.
I know what's inside.
You do?
Yes, it's a plate.
Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is totally our style.
We can have cookies.
It's for rings. It's not for cookies. I mean, it would be just one little cookie, one little hobnob. We could do it if you want to. So this is a really gorgeous little, hide your face, chickie. There we go. Is it focusing? Beautiful. No, it's not focusing. There we go. It's a little marble ring dish from Pier 1. This retails for $14.99. You can put these in your bathroom to put your little rings and earrings on. You can put it on your desk to put paper clips or little like paper, like those little clippy thingies, like folder binder clips. This is really cute and it's totally our style. We love gold and we love marble. So that's winning.
Where?
Oh, this is pink. Then we have the Orlando PETA Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray for damp or dry hair. This is the ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. And this retails for $34. It's supposed to shield the hair from harmful UV damage, heat styling tools, and free radicals. And you're supposed to spray it on damp hair. What are you doing over there?
Dancing.
Hiding your face? Hiding your face for me? Look at that. The packaging is gorgeous. I love the pink. It's really pretty. Shall we have a little spray and see if it smells nice? Okay, close your eyes. Not your ears, your eyes. Oh, it smells good. That smells nice. What is that? That smells really good. It's like fresh, right? Kind of clean. I love this packaging. That is adorable. What are you opening up over here?
That.
Okay, so you either get the Tarte Tartiste Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette or the Tarte Tartiste Pro To Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. Looks like we got the Pro Glow. This retails for $45. It is a contour kit and a highlight kit. Ooh, what did you step on? Are you trying to pop a bubble? You naughty little chicken. Not gonna happen, my friend. Nice try, baby. Okay, come sit down, babes. Don't pop it because it's going to be loud in the video. And then it will scare someone and their cat will run away. So come sit back on your stool. Do you want to show this palette? Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It is black and gold. Shall we give it a little swatch-a-rooney? Here, let's put those down. Let's swatch it. Because look, we're going to swatch these colors.
Quality colors.
Wow. Oh, hold on a minute. Let's show it real quick. Okay, so those are all of the shades. So it looks like there are 4 highlights, yes, and 2 contours. It looks like one, this is magnetic and it's like stuck on me.
I think.
Do you want to hold it for me and then I'll swatch?
I think it smells like chocolate.
It does. No, it doesn't. Does it?
No.
Oh, it does kind of smell like chocolatey. Okay, so there we have Sculpt. And there we, there we have Sculpt and there we have Shade. Then we're going to do Fire. Oh, Fire is pretty. It's kind of like a bronzy color. Do you see that, Lil? We'll get up close in a sec. Then we have Stunner. Oh, that's like a really pretty like golden. Then we have Lit. Which is like a straight up kind of, I suppose that one's more of a champagne. That one's more of a gold. And then, last but not least, we have Strobe. And Strobe is like a highlight that I would wear.
I think Strobe is pretty.
Yeah, it's like really kind of like a pretty champagne-y golden shade. Okay, let's get up nice and close. Hide your face, baby. Look at those colors. Those are really pretty, actually. Like that one would be really pretty as an eyeshadow, and then that's the Strobe. That's the one that I would use as a brow bone as well as a highlight. The rest of them I'd probably just use as eyeshadows, to be honest. I mean, although I could use that one as a contour, but these ones I would definitely be using as eyeshadows. That one is really like blinding and pretty. Are you getting us a wipe?
Yeah.
Thanks, Gorge. So that is awesome. That's a really nice palette. And Tarte, as you guys know, is a high-end brand. It is, I mean, that's $45. So just that alone paid for the whole box, but you got all the other stuff as well. And then I think we have one more product. Thanks, beautiful. Oh, do you have swatches too?
I swatched my finger.
Oh, you did?
We didn't. We have to wipe it clean.
Okay, and then the last but not least, this is cute.
It's a little.
So this is an either or as well. You either get a Summer and Rose beach towel or you get the makeup train case. I have to just show you the beach towel because this one right here is so pretty. Like, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, that one right there is adorable. Or you get the pineapple and leaf one. That one right there though, that's really cute. Do you need help?
It's a little bag of flowers.
That's really cute. I love that. So this one retails for $58. It is a train case that you can store either makeup or skincare, whatever. Ooh, that's actually really big, isn't it, Lil?
She already has one, but it's not that big. And it's pink.
Oh yeah, I do have one already, huh? But this is cute because it's very summery and floral and tropical vacation-y. Yeah. Should we close it up so we can see what it looks like?
What's this?
Oh, that's just to keep like moisture out. We don't need that, that's yucky. We'll throw that away. So here is the little train case, which is really pretty. I love the design, all the pretty little flowers. It is that material that you can just wipe off really easily if it gets dirty. I love these pink flowers and the little red ones. And then you have the big like pouch on the bottom, so that could fit like foundations and palettes and all that kind of stuff. And then on the top, oh, is that the straw that you found? Oh, it's got little turtles. Who's that by?
I don't know.
Did you look at the, what's it? That must be like a little bonus thing. That one says, this straw saves marine life. That's cute. You want to use it with a drink today? Oh, and then you have a little brush holder in here. And then you also have a little pouch over here. And they've included a $50 off your purchase of $200. So that's really nice as well. That is a cute little case. I like that. Really fun if you're going on some upcoming travels. And you know what? Sometimes these are really awesome to like store all of your like everyday nail polishes, like your base coat, your top coat, all of your little tools. Because then you can just easily keep it all in there and then grab your little thing and then paint your toenails and do all that good stuff. What did you think? What's your favorite out of everything that we got? Oh, so you like this? You like the little facial cleanser? It's so wiggly. It feels like a little something that you touch in a what's it called? You know?
It feels like the carpet at Ern's.
Oh, does it? Yes, you're right. Like a rug when you go in and brush your feet off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I think my favorite piece, I really like this. I think this is really cute. I also really like this little makeup case.
I like that and that too.
Yeah, those are cute. And I'm really excited for this spray, and plus it's pink, so it will look really cute on my counter. So, and that glow palette, the Pro Glow palette, that's cute too, right? Mm-hmm. Are you getting a good wash in?
Yeah.
Totes, is it relaxing? Yeah, I like
Guys,
it.
you gotta try this.
Oh, you have to try it. It's so good. Look at your cute little hairs flying away. They're trying to escape from your ponytail.
Look at your ooh fancy.
Look at your oh fancy. Thanks for helping me. That was really sweet of you. We will leave the link down to this FabFitFun box in my description box below with that coupon code. Again, it is SAM in all caps lock. That will save you $10 off, so you can get this whole entire box for $39.99. So basically, you would have bought this in real life full price and you wouldn't have gotten all of this extra goodies. So that's very exciting. Huge thanks again to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video and sending out this awesome box for us to play with. We're pretty excited. She's clearly in love with that thing. Is there any more information we need to tell them?
Yeah. Thanks for liking it. I had fun with you guys today. Bye.
Oh, so sweet. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thumbs up if you want Lily to open the fall box. That'll be in a few months, but still. You want to open it the next one?
Yeah.
This is like your favorite thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Making these videos?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye guys.